night too. I'll be still snowed out, but I had to do an errand, so the next night I went out. I had to do an errand. I had to pick a pack with night in the dark, moody night field. It was almost 9 miles wide. I said, do not fear those pants with nobody inside. It said those words. I said them, but I lied them. Then I reached inside my bush. Then the next thing that I knew, I felt my hand touch someone. And I'll bet that you know how. And there I was, caught in the snide. That is a dreadful place. Those spooky, empty pants, and I were standing face to face. I yelled for help. I screamed. I shrieked. I howled. I yelled. I cried. Oh, save me from these pale green pants with nobody inside.
Is your nose running, honey?
Yeah.